All right. Snowstorm Part 2.
Eddie Murphy used to be funny. And now his best parts he can get is being a jackass or like being Dr. Doolittle and talking to animals. So when you stop cussing, you got to figure out you might be the next Fat Albert Disco King. You know, it's really a not promising
Really
thing.
struggling there with that deep snow.
Well, you know, he's trying his best. He may fall down before it's all said and done, but he hasn't yet, Mike.
Yeah, if we get that on video, I'll be real happy.
And yet, you know, we're not in like anything.
It's cold.
It's warmer in the house.
It's cold outside.